Hi guys, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Hope you're having a great day. I'm back today to share some Valentine's Day projects. I know, super late. I just haven't had a whole lot of time to craft lately, and believe it or not, I started some of these things like in January, and just haven't really been able to craft, as much as I'd like. So it did take me a little while to finish everything up, but I'm glad I finally finished, and hopefully I'll be meeting up with Lori soon to give these to her. And yeah, so I will share what I created. So I created some of these little clothespins, and I've been trying to go through my stash and just use what I have. I haven't been shopping as much either. So I hope she likes what I've created. So these little clothespins are actually like spring clothespins that I had in my stash from Michael's from a while ago, and I just added some felt hearts and little gold stickers to dress them up, and I thought they turned out cute. And then I did share this little project on Instagram a while ago in February, but I created these cute little fox embellishments using a die from AliExpress, and I added these little chocolates to the tummy, and I thought they turned out so cute. So I just added this one onto a couple of heart die cuts that I had in my stash and added some stickers. So there's that. And then I came across these little embellishments that I made for a meetup a couple years ago, and I still had some. So I decided to package these up, and they're just little paper airplanes and some little crochet hearts, and I added some sequins and little glitter in there. So there's that. And then I also just repackaged this red glittery banner. I thought it was perfect for Valentine's Day or Christmas or anything. It's actually from after Christmas. So I just added a gold banner here and some little die cuts to dress up the packaging on that. And then I had picked up a few of these, some extras of these when I came across them at this random little dollar store a while back. So I decided to package some of these up for her as well. And these are so pretty. They're little rose, like acrylic roses with little gold accents. So there's a pack of that, and then some silver bows and some gold bows. So hopefully she can use these. And I just added a little topper with a sticker that says love and some of this little curling ribbon, just really quick. But I think it makes the packaging cute. And then I came across these in my stash too from a couple years ago. I think they were from the 99-cent store, but I did pick up several thinking I would alter them back then, and I never did. So they're little heart-shaped light boxes, so they do light up. And I added some of the Hobby Lobby trim around the edge here, and then this other really pretty heart trim there. And then I just made a template and cut out this heart that fits on the inside and made like a giant shaker with tulle. So it does shake a little. It's not too, I didn't want to overfill it because, I put her name on there and a few little stickers, but it does light up in the back here. And I don't know if you can see that with the lamps on, but there's a light right here and somewhere right here. So it has a few little lights, and it does show up better in the dark. So hopefully she likes that. I thought it turned out really cute. I love making it into a shaker. So there's that project. And then sometimes I pick up these little cupcake containers just because they're so cute and cute patterns, and I was thinking to add some goodies in there and cover it with a cellophane clear bag. And then I had these in my stash that are from Daiso, and they've got like a little lace pattern on these, and it fit inside there. So I just put the goodies in the bag and then taped it in there so it wouldn't come out. And there's just some little wooden hearts in there and a stamp. I think it says handmade with love or something like that. And then there's this die cut, XOXO, that's from AliExpress. Really, really cute. I love that it has this little like tag detail on it, and it comes in a set. It says XOXO love, and I forget the other one. But they're really cute tags. So I die cut that in gold and added this other little heart and some little fuzzy trim to that. And then I had been wanting to try this little project for a while. They're just little Tic Tac boxes that you cover, and I did use my tag punch from Hobby Lobby again on this project, so I thought it turned out really cute. It's just a little Tic Tac box, and these would be cute for like any season, I think. So I just die cut a little heart there to make a window and added some stickles around that, some little stickers I had in my stash, washi tape, and a little ribbon. So I thought those turned out cute and fun. And here's another one. So just some ribbon up at the top and different little stickers. These are from a while ago too. This one here, the heart with the wings, is a K & Company, a little layered sticker that I've had in my stash for years. And then this little heart one is from Michael's from this year. So there's that. And then I had this from a while ago when I was playing with a punch from Tuesday Morning, and it makes these little they're supposed to be so you can stick a little light, like little lanterns or something. So I had this one with the hearts, and I just filled it up with some goodies, some chocolate in there. And let me see. Oh, so the main project that I wanted to create for her is a binder embellishment book. I've been wanting to give one of these a try, so I love the way this turned out. I had this little binder in my stash for a while. I think it was like an address book, and I just took it apart and recovered it. I used the Hello Love paper collection from Crate Paper, which I love. Added some more of this Hobby Lobby trim, and then this other little pink trim down the middle. And then I made a shaker also for the front, and a little die cut cupid, some bling, and just die cuts from the collection. So there's the cover. And then on the inside, I created this little envelope here, and I left it open at the top when I attached it so I could include some tags. And then this one's a little pocket that has more of these little airplane embellishments that I had in my stash. So there's that first page. And then I made these little lollipop embellishments with a die that I picked up on AliExpress a while ago. So I thought these turned out cute, and they're just lightly tacked down so that she can take them out and use them on a project. So there's that. And then on this page here, I created a little flap, and I included some little die cuts of that cupid and different glitter paper and regular cardstock for her to use. And then on this side, I created some rosettes. So I think these turned out cute. And these two I just kind of left very plain so that she can add her own embellishments to it and customize it for whatever project she's doing. And then I made some of these little flags. I've been seeing them everywhere on Instagram, and they're so cute and so fun to make. And yeah, I knew I was gonna just really like playing with these. So on a couple of these that are a little wider, I did do some stitching. I don't know if you can see that. But on the smaller, like thinner flags, it was just really hard to stitch on those. So I just stitched on a few of them. This one here I did stitch on as well because they were just a little bit thicker. So I love how those turned out, and I think I'll be making more of those. Sorry for the shaking. And this one here, I created a little pocket page and added just some vellum tags and some stickers and things in there. And then on this one, I altered some tags, which I shared on Instagram too, stitching and whatnot. And here I added just a little foam heart. On the back, I included, sorry for the glare, I included some more die cuts, and this is just a punch that I have in my stash that punches out the XOXO. So I punched out a few for her there, and I created another little tag here, and I thought it turned out so cute. I love how colorful it is, and it matches this bottom paper really well. And there's the inside, and I created some of these cute little doily envelopes and just added some felt hearts on the inside there. So I don't know if you can see that really good. My lighting is not the best. So there's that. And on the back here, I just created a belly band and added a little pack of these felt, small felt doilies that I had in my stash. So there's that. That's my little binder embellishment book for her. So I hope she likes everything, and I hope you enjoy taking a look, even though I know it's really late as far as Valentine's Day goes. But so yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Hopefully I'll get a little bit more time to craft and share. I miss you guys. I miss watching everyone's videos and reading all the comments. So thank you guys for stopping by, tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.